Have you server get destroyed by Toolbox hacker? Don't worry, I will fix it. First one, you should download this. Make sure you turn on all of this features update. Now it's done. So I want to test for proof. That is Bedrock Cage. For band player that have NBT item. This is example NBT. Item for test. As you can see, it's work. Now I want to show you for command block for band player that have NBT item. Let's go. Copy this text in my description. Delay tick maximum is 7. Make sure this is conditional and always active. Don't copy my position. You can change any position. And the last one. Now let's try. Well done. Now you server safe. If the hacker can throw away from Bedrock Cage, use this command. Well, now hacker can't. Out from this, you can unban them if they feel bad by using this command. Good luck.
You playing Minecraft? I like it, cut G.